Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. Well, guys, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana was in court today to apply for bail at the Bloemfontein Magistrate Court. People have noticed something different today as she appeared looking very much happy, not wearing a mask in court unlike the previous time when she appeared. For the first time, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana looked fresh and happy with clean, newly made hair, you guys. Of course, the dangerous and beautiful Dr. Nandipha Magudumana was the star of the courtroom today as she was posing for the cameras and blowing kisses once again to reporters and her friends. Journalists were asking her if she is okay. She nodded yes once again, proving that a pretty privilege might actually get her off the hook, you guys, because people on social media also loves her. Dr. Nandipha Magutumana is now loved on social media, with many people saying that she is too pretty, she is too beautiful to be in jail. And also the way she looked happy in court today, people were saying that her new legal team might have something up their sleeve to get her off the hook. Dr. Nandipha's bail application has been denied, and she and other five co accused will remain in custody, you guys. However, bail application has been postponed to the 11th to the 12th of May 2023. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do comment, subscribe, like, and share. I will definitely see you in the next update. Bye.